In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create statements in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your business finances or handling accounts for clients, generating statements is an essential part of tracking financial activities and ensuring clear communication with your customers. Let's get started on this straightforward task that will help you keep everything organized and transparent. First things first, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of the page. Focus your attention on this area and locate the New button situated towards the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. It's important to know that this is your gateway to many of the actions you'll perform in QuickBooks Online, so becoming familiar with this menu will be incredibly beneficial over time. From this menu, go ahead and select Statement. This option allows you to create a concise document that outlines the financial interactions you've had with a customer over a specific period. Statements can include unpaid invoices, credits, and details of transactions, giving a clear picture of account activities at a glance. Crafting a statement is especially helpful when you want to gently remind your customers of outstanding balances or simply to summarize the historical exchange of financial interactions. After selecting Statement, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your statement. This is your chance to tailor the document to fit the necessary purpose. Key elements include the date range you want to cover. Simply specify the start and end dates that comprise the period being reported. Another critical piece of information is selecting the appropriate customer if you're managing multiple accounts. Ensuring these details are correct will help eliminate any confusion and maintain professional accuracy. With everything filled out to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Save button. This action not only stores your newly created statement in QuickBooks Online, but also makes it available for immediate email distribution if you wish to send it to your customer straight away. Saving statements ensures you have a historical record for reference during future reconciliation and review tasks. Remember, accuracy is key. So take a moment to double-check all your inputs before you finalize the save. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a statement in QuickBooks Online, which brings us to the end of this tutorial. This process is simple once you've done it a few times, and mastering it will undoubtedly help streamline your financial management tasks. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating statements effortlessly in no time.